start. The standing order, therefore, has entrusted the task of taking decisions in these matters to the screening committee. Stop. The decision of the screening committee must be taken as final unless it is malified. Stop. In recent times, the image of the police force is tarnished. Stop. Instances of police personnel behaving in a wayward manner by misusing power are in public domain and are a matter of concern. Stop. The reputation of the police force has taken a beating. Stop. In such a situation, we would not like to dilute the importance and efficacy of a mechanism like the screening committee created by the Delhi police to ensure that persons who are likely to erode its credibility do not enter the police force. Stop. Para. At the same time, the screening committee must be alive to the importance of the trust reposed in it and must treat all candidates with an even hand. Stop. The same principle was reiterated in state of Madhya Pradesh and others versus Pervez Khan bracket 2015 to SCC 591. Stop. While considering the question of suppression of relevant information or false information in regard to criminal prosecution, arrest, or pendency of criminal cases against the candidate in Avatar Singh versus Union of India and others bracket 2016 8 SCC 471 3 judges bench of this court summarized the conclusion in para bracket 38. Stop. As per the said decision in para bracket 38.5, in a case where the employee has made declaration truthfully of a concluded criminal case, the employer still has the right to consider antecedents and cannot be compelled to appoint the candidate. Stop. It is thus well settled that acquittal in a criminal case does not automatically entitle him for appointment to the post. Stop. Still, it is open to the employer to consider the antecedents and examine whether he is suitable for appointment to the post. Stop. Para. From the observations of this court in Meher Singh and Pervez Khan cases, it is clear that a candidate to be recruited to the police service must be of impeccable character and integrity. Stop. A person having criminal antecedents will not fit in this category. Stop. Even if he is acquitted or discharged, it cannot be presumed that he was honorable, acquitted, completely exonerated. Stop. The decision of the screening committee must be taken as final unless it is shown to be malified. Stop. The screening committee also must be alive to the importance of the trust reposed in it and must examine the candidate with utmost character. Stop. In the case in hand, the details of the criminal cases in which the respondents were involved and the reasonings for their acquittal and the consideration by the screening committee as under. Stop para. From the above details, we find that the screening committee examined each and every case of the respondents and reasonings for their acquittal and taken the decision stop while deciding whether a person involved in a criminal case has been acquitted or discharged should be appointed to a post in a police force, nature of offense in which he is involved, whether it was an honorable acquittal or only an extension of benefit of doubt because of witnesses turned hostile and flaws in the prosecution are all the aspects to be considered by the screening committee for taking the decision whether the candidate is suitable for the post. Stop para. As pointed out earlier, the screening committee examined each and every case and reasonings for their acquittal and took decision that the respondents are not suitable for the post of constable in Chandigarh Police. Stop. The procedure followed is as per guideline 2 bracket A bracket B, and object or such screening is to ensure that only persons with impeccable character enters police force. Stop.